Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I just wanted to do an update on the LEGO Typewriter and kind of show you how it works. I'm sitting here in my new office with my new Mac Mini all set up. I don't know if I'll do a video on that, but we'll see. But I just wanted to show you guys how the LEGO Typewriter turned out. You can see more of the workings of the inside on a couple of videos ago. So let's have a look and I'll show you how the final product finished up. So here we have it, the LEGO Typewriter. First of all, the roller for the paper feed works. Again, the carriage return. It even kind of sounds like a typewriter. And then you push the keys. The carriage runs back. Again, it's a simple mechanism inside that when you hit any key, it moves the center key and then moves the carriage. It's quite unique how it's done. They've got a bit of paper here for the ribbon, and then the ribbon holders made out of different LEGO elements, and then right here would be the selector for the color, so black and red. It doesn't have a corrector in it for the white. They never did, but shift key, shift lock, again, and the carriage continues across. And again, it's got that sound of a typewriter moving across. It almost sounds like a real typewriter. So really, it's quite a nice build. It goes together very well. The return arm and the back of it. So it was a pretty nice build. Again, maybe we'll show you guys some more LEGO projects in the future. But I just wanted to give you an update on the LEGO Typewriter. And that's it in a nutshell. Again, we've got a few LEGO kits down here that have to be built. So we'll see if we get at those this winter. But again, thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed this short little video on the LEGO Typewriter. Again, like, share, subscribe. It helps the channel, and we'll see you guys later. Thanks. Bye.